Hi guys, it's your girl LydiaWendis, and today I'm back again with a hair review. I'm just here to show you this how good it is, and yeah, that's just about it really. Just to tell you that it's a nice wig. I've tried it on, I've had it on for today. I put it on today, and this is the day that I decided to review it because I'm like, how long am I gonna wait with this? I like it, yes. So stay tuned and don't go away. All right. Alright guys, this is the wig and this is me before wearing it. Yeah, so that is the wig over there. I haven't yet cut it. I was just checking it on my head. It's got lots of baby hairs. Yeah, roughly. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to wearing it. I'm gonna wear it and check out how it's gonna look. So yeah. You know what, this is the Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig. This is the writing, that is it over there. So yeah, it's a Danzie T427 what lace. So there you go. Yeah, that is it. And then the box for this wig is right here. Yeah, so right now it's empty. I just took out the wig right now, and there we go. Right, so yep, sensational Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig in that color that I just mentioned. Yep, and that is how it looks in my head. That's the color I got. I don't really want this color, but I just made a mistake while ordering. Because that's what the seller showed me, so that's what I thought it was. Is not what it turned out to be. So I'm not very happy about that, the seller, but I'm happy about the wig because I know it's made by a different company. So I will let you know everything else. Keep watching. Alright guys, this is the inside out of the wig, and the lace takes up almost the whole top half of the wig. Alright, so that's the front. That's the back of the wig, and these are the sides of the wig. Yeah, it has two straps. I just wanted to show you how clear this lace is. You can still see through. My baby still has the price on the nose. I just got her, and really she's a big deal to me because she really shows me how nice the lace is. It actually shows your skin. You see, it's really transparent, and that's the 360 of this. You see, that's my baby. All right, there you go. I just wanted to show you a model that has a white surface. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this lace and then I'll be back. So yeah, we're gonna get a little pair of scissors and just divide that. All right. Because you know what, when I'm cutting, I don't cut it whilst it's on my hair because I usually cut myself, alright? Yeah. So I'm just going at the edges of this. Yeah, it's really transparent. It's going to be hard to see where it is, but that's where it is right now, so far. Right, I've got that there, and we've got a little bit left of it. Oh, that pair of scissors makes a mess. That was it, and we've got this left. So yeah, we still have a little bit more left to do. Look at those baby hairs. Look at them. Do you know what? I've cut half of it. I've cut one side. So I'm going to cut the rest of the lace. Alright guys, so look at me. Alright, I like it. Look at that. Look at that. Alright. Nice. Ooh. Yeah, so no regrets whatsoever. I'm loving it. Yeah. All right, guys, so this hair is pre-plucked, you know. So when they say pre-plucked, I'd like to show you what the seller actually means, because they had the picture here. This is not plucked, and that's pre-plucked, so it's really plucked. Like it looks very natural. That's how real hair is supposed to look like. It's got spaces in the edges, whereas that it's flat, like it's all the same. So that's what they mean by pre-plucked. The hair is pre-plucked. Look at me, look at that. So yeah, it does look natural. That is brilliant. I love it. I'm excited. It's called the Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig, 100% premium fiber, and it's called Danzie. I don't know, Danzie. Let's leave alone my pronunciation. Danzie, and it's T427. That's the color that I have right now. When I was buying this, it looked like a dark brown. So it looked like a brunette, let's face it. So in the pictures, when I got it, it was looking like this. This is close to blonde, like it's got nothing to do with browns. So I felt like I was ripped off and I couldn't return. So for that reason, I'm not talking about the seller right now. These wigs are everywhere. Just go on the net and type out Danzie. You're gonna find the wig, and that color, it's not brown. Just to let you know, the color is T427. It's not brown at all. It is a yellowish, I wouldn't say it's the lightest blonde, but yeah, it's that color. Just my camera is clear, that's the color. Yeah, so yeah, it looks nice. I was scared of wearing it, but after putting it on, I was comfortable. I loved it, and I love the fact, I think you can still see the middle part of it. You can still see the line in between and how natural it looks. The lace is superb. I enjoyed styling it. These are the colors that come with the wig. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. This is the blonde right there. Yeah, this is not the wig that I'm wearing. There's another blonde that's lighter, but this is what I'm wearing right now. So it's a bit yellowish. There's a dark yellow to it, so it's not that light. And then there's other colors like that, maroon. That's something that would look like, I believe it's got maroon in it. That's a mix of a maroon and a black. And they've got that. They've got, oh my goodness, brilliant. Look at that. That's, oh my goodness, these wigs are really nice. Like if you like puffy hair, this is the hair to go for. Well, I do like puffy hair, and right now it's not puffy enough because it's new, but I'd like to keep it for a very long time. What I do when it's puffy, when it can get puffy, I keep it for a very, very, very long time, because the first time I get it, I don't comb the hair, I don't touch the hair. If anything, I get gel and just touch those the front, the ones I want to become baby hair. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that. Just to let you know, I haven't glued the hair. I have not glued this hair, so I'm super excited. I just placed this on my head, and that's how it turned out to look. This is the color of the lace. Do you see that? Yeah, that's the color of the lace. So it's going to be transparent. It's not transparent. This is not transparent, but it is a bright color. So if you want to go in with a powder that matches your color, your skin color, that's what I did. But I didn't do that to the front. To be honest with you, the front better not. I didn't bother. I just didn't bother. That's why I said it's transparent. It's not transparent. It is that color. I don't want to describe it because I might mislead someone. We have different eyes. But to be honest with you, that's not exactly transparent, but it is a certain color. The light, I think with these wigs, the lighter it gets, the more transparent it looks on the head. So sometimes you might not need to go in with the powder, just because, not because it looks like you, but because it's a lighter color. It looks like it's transparent when it gets onto your head, because your skin being a little darker than it is, it pops out. If you get the drift. Yes, so that's what I'm saying. I didn't have to. It doesn't match my skin, but I didn't have to put any color. My goodness, I don't know how to describe this. It is nice. I like it. It might just be my taste. It might not be someone else's taste, but we're talking about the lace right now. The lace is brilliant. I love it. I love it. I love it. And what else? The seller says it looks natural. Yes, this hair looks very natural. Definitely 100%. And it says it's customized, 100% hand tied and pre-plucked to create a realistic natural density illusion hairline. Yeah, it's well crafted, soft Swiss lace from ear to ear with combs and adjustable straps for a secure fit. Yes, it's got a strap. Actually, it's got two straps. The seller says it's 13 by 6 ear to ear with 6 inches deep hand tied. Yes, it's it goes from there to there. Unfortunately for me, I might have a bigger head. Yes, it might be slightly bigger, but yeah, look at that. I just want to show you. It's about being honest, really. Yes, so yeah, that's where it goes up to. So that's what they mean by there. The line goes a bit farther to the edge. This lace is really nice, so you can do any parting. You can part it from whichever side you want. Yeah, that's what they mean. Undetectable, flawless hair. Yes, it is flawless. I have to say, these curls are flawless, and they could last you a long time if you don't start putting your hands through it, like as though you're combing straight hair. Like you, this is not straight hair. You have to be very careful because you don't want to mess up the curls. Once you untangle the curl, your hair is old, even if you've had it for 2 days. So the longer you take without messing around with the curls, the longer the hair is going to last, because I'm using the curly hairstyles. So usually if you don't mess around with the curls, it's going to last you. And if you untangle the curls, it's old. That's supposed to be like 6 months. You're making it 6 months in 3 days. So leave the curls alone, don't touch them, and you're going to have this hair for a very long time. All right, that's how to go with the curly hair. If you want it for long, don't mess around with the curls. It's going to look new for a long time. All right, so it's pre-customized unit, protective style, no leave out necessary. It's safe up to 350 to 400 Fahrenheit, which is not bad, but I don't hope to hit it at any point. I don't think I'd like to hit it, but I'd like to tell you it's a nice one. I like what I look like so far. I'm gonna go out. Yes, that's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to press that notification bell below so you can be notified every time I have a new video. Thank you very much. Bye.